Now, time to use it with its integrations. So let's go ahead and ask it, give me the location of, let's say, Central Park, New York. Okay, I'm just going to search that up and just wait for it. Look at that. It's going to actually turn on Google Maps and it's going to show you the actual map. Look at that. How incredible. And even if you like want to get into more details, like let's say I'm going to go with some random address. Give me let's say 35th Street in, I don't know, let's say Canada. Okay. So you're going to search that up. And obviously, if there is no 35th Street, it's going to tell you that there is no 35th Street. You're going to have to specify. So let's say I'm going to, you know, ask something about my country. I'm going to go with show me where E7 sector is. Okay, we're going to search that in and we're going to click on enter. And you're going to see that it actually goes through the online maps and shows you the proper geological ways. Now, the thing is, if it comes in its safety guidelines, it won't show you, but if it's not in the safety guidelines, it will show you.